Greetings, class. I'm excited to talk to you guys about paraphrasing. This is going to be a big part of our class because we're going to be reading a lot. Essentially, this is a reading and writing class. And so one of the best ways to understand what you're reading is to annotate a text. Now, when I was in college, what I would do is I would highlight. In fact, sometimes I would go to the bookstore, I'd get the used books that had just the most highlighted stuff with the same teacher, because then I didn't have to spend my own highlighter money. So that's a strategy I did a lot, or find books that are already annotated that I knew would be used in that class. So that's what I would do when I was in college. It did help quite a bit. It's a secret tip. You can't tell anybody. But the issue with highlighting is that a lot of times when I'm highlighting, I'll just highlight everything. I'll highlight everything that I believe is important, but then my whole book is highlighted. So it becomes kind of cumbersome, and it becomes just too tedious. It just becomes like a pointless activity. So what they say is that one of the best ways to really take advantage of a text is to annotate it. And annotating just works like this. It's writing on the side of the book. What I generally do is I'll just have a notebook, and I won't annotate the book per se, but I'll just maybe underline something or put a star by it, mark the page number, and then I'll write what's being said in that passage. That way I remember it better. It's honestly one of the best ways to help you with reading comprehension is write down what's being said, because then you'll remember it and those passages will stand out more. So whenever you're annotating, one of the best things you could do is just ask yourself, what is this passage about? What is important here? Is there anything on this page that I need to delve into, that I need to record, that I need to save for later because I think it's going to be important? Maybe it's going to be on a final exam. Maybe it's research that I plan on using for a paper. But it's really important just to get the scope of what's being said and annotate that either in a notebook or on the side of the book. So if you want to know my best secret on reading comprehension, it is annotation. And we're going to work on some other activities this week that should help you with that. I'm going to show another video that goes over how to annotate as well. But that's it for this video.